On our way to get the fittings that we need for the power steering. But first, Christian se va a pichar lunch. That's a no. Christian, ¿te vas a pichar, güey? ¿Te vas a pichar la comida o qué? No, you're not, güey. Christian, quiero pancakes, güey. I'm hungry, bro.
Oh, I'm starving too, though. What time is it? 1:30. We haven't even had breakfast yet.
Fucking 1:30, güey.
No breakfast.
No.
Nothing.
Puro
I don't know,
pinche
güey.
rockstar, güey.
I had my breakfast. I don't know about you.
Subway or Waba Grill?
Subway. Only because you made that comment in a while ago. I'm down. I'll buy you.
Nah, hey, wait. No, hey, no pressure, bro. No pressure, güey. I got money, güey. No hay pedo.
No, I'm just saying
No,
that
no,
comment,
no.
like,
It's cool. It's cool, güey.
you know, it's cool playing.
Thank you,
Where
güey.
the fuck were they putting chains on their rims? Watch, on the way back, look at those trucks on the rims, and they put chains around the rims with the lock. Like it's really gonna stop them from taking the truck.
Some butter wheels, güey. Christian, it's cool, güey. Don't change the subject.
You can buy it.
Hey, I'll buy it, güey. No, wait, I don't want to buy it anymore.
Where we at?
Drift Motion, güey. Drift Motion.
Troquita gang.
Damn.
I like that. Troquita gang.
So hopefully we get the right parts now. Got the right one.
Yeah, it's in.
Right now we're just waiting for the bell and the fitting for the pump. So Christian, ¿qué te vas a pichar, güey? Subway or Waba?
Nah, Subway. 100%.
Fuck it, let's go to Subway. Have you guys seen my plate? Ooh. It's a sick ass plate, bro.
I don't know what's it as plate. It's a plate.
It's a badass plate.
Sad.
Custom made for your boy. Christian, I got it, wait.
No, get out of here.
I got it, wait. Hey, wait. It's cool, wait. Nah, wait, tú paga ahora. See what we got here? I'm gonna be unboxing my Subway. What you get, bro? Huh?
I don't know, but it's not that great.
It's not that great.
No.
Where's that shit?
I don't know, but this is actually disgusting.
Pinche Christian didn't like the Subway, so I had to buy him Waba Grill.
That shit was nasty, dude. Fuck, man. I've never had a worse fucking sub ever, dude.
Hey, liar, boy.
So now we're gonna go get some
Shit
guava.
dragón.
I didn't like that shit, bro. That shit was nasty. For those of you guys that are watching this, do not try the
Ruben. Ay, wait.
Some new sub they got at Subway. Don't get that shit.
Fucking nasty ass bitch.
And then you got chicken. You didn't even get steak.
Hey, wait. I like chicken. Hey, wait. If you don't want it, wait, I'll eat it, wait.
I know you want.
Chingatelo,
you
wey.
eat that shit.
Just eat halfway. I'll eat half.
Wait half.
I got you, bro.
Wait half. Fucking ass way. Son of a bitch, man.
Ay, güey. Che tragón. Mira, güey. Hey, pa' que no digas que... Damn, look at him. Look at him.
I didn't eat the sub, man.
We're looking at this wild beast chugging on some chicken.
This is good shit.
Looking at his prey. Chicken, güey. No luck today on the fucking... Look at the fucking avocado. It's all fucked up and nasty, way. Ugh.
Has like black spots on it.
Ugh. You didn't want to eat it, so I'm gonna eat it.
I have no luck with food today. First, the sub was disgusting. and then we gonna get some Wawa Grill. And this was like, sure, just eat that shit. And I get that on avocado.
I'm not gonna eat the avocado.
I ain't trying to get sick, so I'm gonna let him eat it.
Thirst is real. Nice. Sugar. Oh, sugar, honey. You are my candy girl, and you got me. Christian. Oh, honey, sugar. All right, I'm gonna start putting the okay, bro. Somebody. While you do that, I'll do the okay. Fuck. Let me help you with that. Boom, boom.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Alright, we're good. Ow!
Cool.
Power steering's done.
It's done? Or that should be fucking, the lines be switched.
I put them on, we're not coming.
Oh, fucking car, wait.
I'm playing, I'm playing. Kidding. Yeah, see it's going down right now. So that's that. You just need to put the other side, no?
We can test drive it.
Yeah,
Burnout, okay.
I don't know about burnout, but...
You scared or what?
Are you?
I'm scared, way.
That's a real question, are you?
I'm scared, way.
I'm gonna put that one back on because we don't need it.
Alright. Yeah, if you want to start putting everything back, we'll try to.
We just need the other side.
Yeah. I just gotta tighten this one up. I forgot to tighten this one up. ¿Está la otra 17 por ahí? Oh, aquí está. Never mind. Hey, wait, she's leaking, way.
Leaking?
Yeah.
Where?
From over here. From the fitting.
No, it's not leaking from the fitting.
From where then? Oh, from the tyro?
Hold on. Oh.
It is, no? What happened?
It's the wrong one, way.
No mames.
See, way. That fool was right. I put it on back.
I told you, way.
Fuck! You serious? How the fuck did I get it mixed up?
Remember I told you, way? We should have kept the other fitting, way.
How the fuck did I get it mixed up?
Oh, no way. No fucking way, Christian.
Oh, you're shitting me.
Christian.
Backwards.
Christian. I can't right now. I can't. Christian. Hey, wait, I can't get up.
You know what the best part about this is?
What?
I cut the cooler line.
No. Christian.
Damn, what the fuck, dude?
Te dije, güey. Christian.
No, güey, ayer andaba bien pendejo, güey.
No, Christian. Christian. Hey, güey. Christian.
I knew it was a bad idea coming yesterday.
Oh,
I didn't want to work on anything yesterday.
Christian.
Wow,
Christian.
okay.
Valimos madre, Christian. Mira. Look at this shit. Christian. Christian.
What's the blue thing to catch the oil?
I don't know. Oh fuck, bro. Yeah, wait, fuck it, wait, yeah. Fucking, let's just close this shit up and call it a day, wait. Christian.
Yeah.
I don't even want to do the other side anymore.
Dude, I knew yesterday was a bad idea, boy. I felt like shit yesterday. I knew it was a bad idea.
Hey, wait, no, excuses, way. Pero si te estoy diciendo, wey. Wait.
No, well, I was like, well, because Carlos was like, nah, dude, that fitting's not gonna work. You need to use another fitting. And then I took it off and I put it on. I was like, yeah, dude, it's just bigger. It's not gonna work. But
Christian.
Like, dude, I sold hundreds of these kids and they all work.
Look at that shit, Christian.
It doesn't work.
Look at that.
Yes, it's my fault. I cut the wrong line. I cut the wrong line. I accept it.
Hey, I was gonna do a burnout, way, for reals, way. I was gonna do some pinche donuts, way. Now, way. I ain't got nothing, way. I ain't got shit, way.
Not today, but I mean, we can do tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, fuck it, ¿verdad?
Unless Carlos, I know, still has that other fitting, he's gonna bring the fitting down for him.
Yeah, I mean, but we still gotta fucking find a line, way.
That's easy. There's a bunch of people partying shit out.
Fuck it, we'll just do it tomorrow, way. Pinche vato.
That was my fault, I guess.
Alright, fuck it, we'll just do it tomorrow.
My fault.
Hey,
My
wait.
bad, guys. I know you guys want to see a burnout.
I want to see a burnout, way.
Sorry, guys. That was my bad. Actually, we did feel like shit yesterday.
I wanted to burn these fucking tires with. You know? I wanted to see if the car would even do a burnout way. I don't even know if it does a burnout.
Well, I mean, if it does it rolling in second gear, I'm pretty sure it'll do a burnout.
Yeah, but video or it didn't happen way. Fuck, bro. No mames. Fuck it. We'll just do this tomorrow. Ay, wait.
Guys, that was my bad.
Fuck it. Tomorrow we're gonna fucking finish it. No more fucking around, Christian. Please. Por favor. Okay?
I don't know what happened yesterday.
And we're gonna go fucking GMR way and do a burnout way.
I don't know what happened yesterday.
Alright? Tomorrow when we finish this shit, Christian, we're gonna go up GMR, go do some donuts way.
Some donuts?
No, we're gonna do a sash way.
Oh, you're gonna drive it there or no?
I'm gonna fucking tow it there way.
Let's drive it there.
Nah, I don't wanna get taken away way. Hey, wait, with my luck right now way?
Yeah.
With my luck right now way?
No, my luck, because I'm the one that's, you know. That
Yeah, way, but.
I'm the one that cut it off.
Yeah,
so.
but your luck way is hurting me way. It's hurting my heart right now. Christian. ¿Qué pedo, Christian? You need a Rockstar way or no more Rockstars way?
I actually haven't had a Rockstar, only one today.
Oh, fuck.
No, you know what? Yesterday I didn't have any. But I was just feeling too good yesterday. Yeah, I just happened to get them mixed up. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Tomorrow, way?
Alright, tomorrow.
Tempranito, way, at 6.
Tomorrow, I'll be here with the stuff already.
Nah.
What's on the
Heard that?
Open.
Like at 7 way or 8?
7 or 8?
Yeah.
I'll be there first thing in the morning.
Fuck it. That's it for today. It's cool if you don't want to subscribe, you know. Shit happens. But either way, subscribe, like, and share it. I'm gonna go cry right now.